Okay, so before that, I'm going to take off this, and yeah, we're going to braid. I actually want to braid today, and it's been like 6 years since I braided my hair, and today is gonna be today. Okay, so I'm so excited, guys. Getting this hair done is everything. I can't wait. But the pain. Okay, so let's get started. And that is the first braid, guys. Oh my god. It's been ages since I touched this hair. Yes, it's been ages. And woo, wow, that was in battery in why. So wow, okay, so it's happening, and okay, just wait first, okay? And for Stimie, Orokodo, more fans. expensive salon, not any expensive salon. I just tried a salon. I just showed the picture to the person, and then I told her I wanted this style, and yes, enough of me tutorials every day. I wanted to change it for you guys. So yes, and I think she did very well. Not quite well, she did very well. And this is the outcome. It's been a week now. I've not done the finished look, so I decided to take a picture or a tutorial. That's a tutorial, no, a picture, and then yes, let me get a finished look video for you guys to see how the new trend Jungle Braids is actually going to look. Okay, so guys, yeah, so enough of the blah 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 stories, and hey, this is the braids. Jungle braids, guys. This is how it looks like, and I like it. Just 1 week. It's been 1 week, so guys, you can actually see. I just tamed the fluffy looks with a foam. So just wrap the foam, just apply it on the hair, and yeah.